guys, welcome back to Wrenie Bird channel. It's me, Wrenie Bird here. And since I just sabotaged my mom with makeup, she's gonna sabotage me. And we're doing the blindfold makeup challenge. So Wrenie Bird fans, let's get right on to the video. So Momma Bird's putting on her blindfold. How many fingers? Hey! Without feeling.
6.
10.
Ooh, this sucker's tight. Alright.
I know, you know what world though.
Yeah, but my head's bigger. Alright, give me a little juice.
So, we're using
This is some foundation.
foundation.
Ooh, we don't need that much. Hey, 1 pump!
Oh. I'm getting it.
Wait a minute, normally I put it on this hand when I'm getting ready. Okay. That way I could use my right hand.
I'm scared. Please try your best.
I'm gonna try my best.
Oh, you just got the whole glob. Oh, that's gold.
Shh!
It's gold.
She loves to scream.
Oh my gosh. What? You just got to.
You got remember what we learned from the first
Ow.
video? You gotta keep your mouth shut.
You're really getting that face of mine. Oh no. You got it in my eyeball. It stings.
Okay. Alright. Now some blush.
Blush? Okay. Oh my gosh. Whenever I touch my face. But, I'm looking for it.
It's in the gold one.
Ew. Ew.
Alright, juice me up real good.
I'm not done. Yeah.
Okay, fish lips.
Oh gosh.
Okay, now the other side.
Great job! Yeah!
It's gotta be better than yours. You put it all over my chin.
Yeah, it is actually better than Oh, great.
Okay.
Ow.
Now some lipstick.
Okay. I'm scared. I'm not done. I'm scared from the lipstick. Let's juice this baby up. There you go. It just...
Fish lips. Okay.
He got my tooth.
Okay, now some eyeshadow.
1 second, I'm putting this away.
Put lots of black on it. Use the fluffy side. That's the side I used.
Okay. Here you go.
Okay, now the other side.
Oh my gosh, I look like I got in a fight. Ow.
That's your eyebrow.
Ow.
Okay, now where's the glitter?
What's that? What's that? What's that?
I'm just gonna put it on my finger.
This finger?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That's a lot, so spread it.
Wait a minute, we gotta do highlights. We're gonna do a little bit of highlight here.
No.
A little bit of highlight here. Give me a little bit more. I need a little bit of highlight on your nose. Okay, done.
You did pretty good for you. I mean.
I gotta see this. Well, it looks better than yours, that's for sure.
Well,
It did mess up pretty bad there.
here's the finished product. Come check us out online. Maybe we could do yours.
Yeah. All right. Well, guys, tomorrow's Mother's Day.
It was fun.
So happy Mother's Day to all the mamas out there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Bye. Bye.